how to install Virtual DJ on macOS. For that, open up Safari and go to virtualdj.com. I will provide the link in the description so you can directly visit it and hover to download in the menu and click on download. Click on macOS, click on allow and it will download the file. Once downloaded, double click on the package file to open it and then click on continue. Read the license agreement and click on continue. Click on agree. Click on install. It will ask you for your macOS password. Type it and click on install software. And here you can see the installation has been successful. Click on close. Click on move to bin. Go to launchpad and you will see virtual DJ over here. You can click on it to open it. It will ask you for some access. I want to go with no access for now. It might ask you for sign up or a sign in. You can go with that and start using virtual DJ. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.